Guys, right here, this is a LUKIDY lightsabers. This is a 2-in-1 battle sabers. Boom! Nice. USB-C charging. The user manual right here. We got the saber right here. We got 2 sabers, and you can connect them to 1. We got this saber right here. That's metal. It's a metal hilt. Nice. These are dueling sabers. You can actually use them to battle with. Push the button again. Different color. Push again. Oh! Push again. Whoa! Purple. Whoa. Push the button. Change the color. Green. Oh, push again. Orange. Let's get so many colors. The red one looks sick. Blue. Purple. The sound's crazy. We got 2 of them. This is the other one right here. Connect this one and turn this on. Push right here. Oh, turn it on. You guys hit with them. These are sturdy. You got the purple one right here. Red. Boom. 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 Yo. Saber. What? Lightsaber battle. Double tap. Boom. Boom. Ooh.
May the force be with you.
Ooh. Double tap.
Remember, may the force be with you.
Now, you got the flashing. Boom. Dude, these are battle-ready sabers. They're solid. I love them. They rock. They're good for battling. Double tap again.
May the force be with you.
Triple tap, they will go on mute. Push once to change the color. Double tap to go into flashing mode. This is flashing mode. Triple tap to mute. If you want no audio, you triple tap. 1, 2, 3. Now it's mute. So now, this one right here is not gonna make any sound. Triple tap. Okay, unmute. I love the sound effect. This piece that comes with it. And this is what connects them together. And you have one ultra long saber like the Darth Maul. Whoa, crazy. Let's go. Whoa, it's a little bit longer than I'm used to, but there we go. Oh man, this is crazy. This is so awesome.